rows, introducing to you again the gentleman in the blue corner from Reps MMA, Steve Nightingale. Basically from Salford MMA of the Darren Sherlock, Andy Green.
The atmosphere, as I said, is electric.
So, last minute instructions from our referee, Mark Woodward. I'm really looking forward to this fight. These guys are two firecrackers, and I know Andy Green, although he's 0-1-0, that's a very deceptive record. This guy is a top quality fighter.
Certainly, I'm looking forward to this.
2 5-minute rounds.
And it's on.
Here we go.
Look for both to be good all-round fighters. Andy Green, like I say, he's got a judo background, but he's got Thai boxing as well, down at Salford MMA.
Nice high guard as well. Oh, some great kicks coming back from Stephen Nightingale, though. Really sharp kicks.
I love to see the speed on the featherweight fighters, the sharpness of those kicks and punches.
Yeah. Oh, looking for that double, but he's got caught, his head caught there. There is potential of a guillotine choke. He's managed to escape it.
Oh, he can't knee to the head, he can't knee to the head. He's got a nice position.
But he can knee to the body.
Yeah, but I would have maybe liked to see him to stand back up from there, try and use it, or try to pull him back up, but he's dropped down into half guard anyway.
Now in this position, I'd like to see him start throwing some body shots to at least keep ahead on the scorecards.
That's right. Stephen Nightingale doing a good job of tying him up.
Certainly trying to move his hips out.
He's looking like he's working for that arm.
Yeah, we could see that coming.
He's looking for it.
Well defended by Andy Green. He's got to pay attention to those hips. Make sure that those hips don't move out.
That's it. The cage a little bit in the way for him, sneaking out to the side.
Yeah, pull out.
And he's got it, but he's got it. He's got it. And he.
Oh, lovely slam out. Big old slam. And Andy Green wanting this fight back onto his feet. Yep. But I think that was very close, though.
Yep, and I think it showed there the edge in groundwork there to Stephen Nightingale.
Certainly did.
And Stephen Nightingale obviously saw that because he goes straight for the takedown and he's landed in side control.
Certainly, I think Stephen Nightingale's definitely got the edge on the ground. Got a great side control there as well. He's got arm pin.
That's it. Look for him to force down that head and try to isolate that arm that's around his head.
Andy Green booking to try and reverse the position.
Yeah, but he's holding on to the head too much, and that will, against a good grappler, can give away the submission.
Certainly, and he's giving himself a back.
He has given it away.
So Stephen Nightingale hunting that rear naked choke now. I'd like to see him flatten out Andy Green to perhaps find a position, and indeed he's done that.
And that's what he's
rolled
done.
onto his back. Andy Green needs to turn into face.
Andy Green not out of trouble, but he's got himself out of that position.
He certainly is. At least he's out of a submission attempt. But I can see Stephen Nightingale looking for Kimuras.
Yeah, he's consistently going for some.
He's got an Achilles lock. Very difficult submission to get.
Now they're both going for it now. He may have made a mistake there because he might get caught himself.
He needs to roll on. Yeah, but saying that, I mean, I think that Andy's got his leg free. He's not been scissored off, so he should be able to defend a lot easier.
And now, Stephen Nightingale again into a dominant position.
One of the dangers of going for the Achilles lock is if you don't get it, you can end up giving away mount.
That's right. Falling back for a leg lock is in pro rules is a really bad idea. Semi-pro, you're giving up position.
The crowd's really trying to start, really starting out now. Stephen Nightingale starting to look for submissions. I think he's hunting that arm triangle.
That's right. I think they're both tired a little bit. The pace seems to have slowed slightly. But I mean, Stephen Nightingale's in a position where he can methodically go for that armbar, so he doesn't need to rush too much.
Certainly he's looking for armbar. There's a lot of submissions from this position, but most of them involve giving up your mount position. Now, what I'd like to see from Andy Green here is some real concerted effort to reverse this position. He needs to not stay still. The body shots aren't going to hurt. He's at no risk of a headshot. He needs to be moving considerably all the time. Yes, excellent reversal.
Yeah, that's exactly what you're wanting, Aaron, and he's done it. Now let's see what he can do for the top position, or is he going to get caught in something?
Well, and he's going for that Achilles. He's doing it standing up. He's got it crossed over. Oh, but he got caught himself.
And that was exactly what I was talking about earlier. It's when you go back for that position, it's a lot of a risk of getting caught yourself.
Yeah,
now let's get the medics in there.
Those Achilles locks can be very dangerous, and you can often end up in an Achilles battle. Now, Andy Green is still on the ground here, so the medics are giving him some attention. They'll be checking that ankle for damage. He's clearly in some pain, but hopefully it's nothing too serious, and the medics can get him back on his feet very soon.
The representative of Ultimate into the cage, please. Ultimate, thank you. The representative from A&C Auto Salvage into the cage, please. That's A&C Auto Salvage.
Well, we've got A&C Auto Salvage going in to give the cage, but this fight was actually sponsored by Ultimate, providers of superb matting and padding for martial arts.